what's on? Welcome back to the channel. Studio Ray's Boys and Their Toys. Hey guys, I got another, product review or profile. It's a simple one. It's gonna be a short video. As you know, I've been doing some work on my house, and in the background, I've been working on my den pretty much forever. All right. I'm in my final coat. I'm putting up the coating on my drywall, and as you know, when you sand down drywall, you're constantly getting that dust. All right, and that's for DIYers. You know, you got to be conscious of that. All right, a lot of dust goes everywhere, all that fine dust. So I invested in a couple of products, well actually one particular product that helped me keep down with that dust. All right, and I'm gonna show you what it is right now. All right guys, how you gonna look? You see a big old orange tube coming out of my house. All right, and this is the thing I'm profiling here. This is a vent, a fan that vents all air out of your whatever location. This is usually used in garage, when automotive garages, when they, you know, in their garage and they got the car running and they need to get the exhaust fan, the carbon monoxide out of the garage to vent it out. This is what they use. So I ended up picking up for my application. As you can see, it comes with a long tube. I'm not sure on the dimension. I'll put down the dimensions on it, and it's just going in again. And the trick on dust control is getting that air moving in one direction. Alright, and what I'm doing now, guys, as you can see right here, alright, it's a power little machine. You set it up and it pulls all that air out. And what you got to do as far as negative pressure, make sure everything's plastic up, especially your living area. Alright, guys already sanded. Pretty much got it all done, but you got to make sure all the plastics are up, and once everything's up, that air will push it out that way, taking all that fine dust out. So if you're interested in getting this type of machine, I highly recommend it. It wasn't that expensive. I put a link on where I got it from my favorite store, Amazon, and it worked out pretty well. It's definitely something I like. I'm going to be using. Alright, so just a quick profile of it. As you can see, guys, I've been working on this. Finally, I got up to 3 coats or 2.5 coats, and I said I ended up getting a couple of buddies over to help me get this all knocked out, and they pretty much almost done putting on the 3rd coat and come back, sand it down. When they come back, I'll profile this and show you how well this thing works. I'm pushing all that air out of here. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, Studio Ray's Boys and Their Toys. Hey guys, alright, this is day 2 of me getting my den done, sanded down. As you can see, as I told you about, that ventilation fan working very well. Running from the house, coming out over here. Alright, so let's take a look at it real quick. Alright guys, as you can see how I got it set up. Got coming out. Guys, now sanded. It's kind of loud in here. As you guys can see, all the negative pressure, you know it's working. All the air, all the plastics moving in one direction. Downstairs again, all the air is moving in one direction. All right, guys. Now, ideally, I would want to put plastic also on this part down here, cover it all the way down to the machine to really get an airtight location, forcing more of that air to come out that direction. But it's doing fine just like it is. All right. Again, I didn't want to really put plastic up there because the guys want to come in and out. All right. And then they got to worry about the plastic bringing it down. So other than that, the machine is working well. I'm glad I picked it up. Again, it's designed for just moving large amount of air out of your location. Getting all that fine dust, preventing it from. The idea is preventing it from going upstairs, and it's doing its job. All right, so it's plastic's up, machine is on, taking all that air out, fine air, dust, and again, if you plan to get any construction and your contractor doesn't have this type of machine, you may want to pick it up yourself. All right. Again, if you're living in a house under construction, this machine is a lifesaver. All right. So again, thanks for tuning in. This Boys and Their Toys, featuring a vent machine, or vent fan, I should call it. All right. If you guys like this type of content, hit that subscribe button. Make some comments. Tell me what do you think about it. Do you have the machine? If it's something that you ever considered. And that's pretty much it, guys. All right. Check you on the next one. Studio Rays, Boys and Their Toys. Have a good one. Later.